Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this portable power station by AntRobut. So if you've been following along, this is going to be part 2 in a series where I have started to make an outdoor entertainment setup. So I first started by buying a projector, then next I bought a Roku, and then I got a tripod for it, and now we need a power station so we can make it actually portable and not need an extension cord wherever we're going, so we can do an entertainment setup. Just project movies onto a wall pretty much anywhere. So we have this portable power station. Right here on the front cover you can see we have a portable power supply, advertises AC output, DC output, USB and USB Type-C. We have our stats here on this side here. Go ahead and pause that right there. You can see what you need, but this is a 80,000 milliamp hour battery, which is 296 watt hours, as well as it is a 300 watts. It does advertise having lithium ion batteries. It has an LED flashlight that is 5 watts. Life cycle is 500 charges and weighs about 3.6 kilograms, which is about 8 pounds. On the back here, we have a whole bunch more options, product features, things like that. And then more advertising here. It is made in China. Let's go ahead and start unboxing this guy. All right, so 2 tabs here and pop open our top. On the very top here, we have 2 boxes. Let's see what's inside. This one says we got a charging brick, and the other one here, probably the other half, our power cord. And then we have an orange handle to our power supply. Wow, this is really light. It really is just 8 pounds. That is nothing. And then, heard something fall. A user manual. All right. And there is our power supply. Get a good look at it there. This is the front side here. We have an AC and a power button, as well as advertising what it can do. And then we have a display here that'll show our readouts. I show that our battery is practically dead upon arrival. Then we have our 2 power ports. We have a 3-prong plug as well as a single 2-prong plug here. Then down here at the bottom we have a USB 1, a USB 3.0, and a USB 2.0 port. As well as here at the bottom we have a USB Type-C, and then 2 DC outputs. On the back we have our flashlight with a button here in the center. You'll press and hold that to turn it on. Look at that. Nice and bright, light things up. And then you press it again, it'll go dim. Press it again, it'll start flashing. I think this is SOS. And then press it again and it just starts a rapid flash. So you can actually put this in your car, and then if you have an accident or something, or you need somebody's attention, you just set that on the side of the road and it'll sit there and flash. And then lastly, this side we have our DC in, where we'll charge the machine as well, the battery bank, as well as our cooling fan outlet. It has a nice rugged design, as well as rubber feet here on the bottom. There's a plastic covers to cover those, but those are some pretty grippy rubber feet. So if you set them on a flat surface, it shouldn't go sliding around on you. But overall, it's a lightweight package. It looks good, rugged, and it's ready to go outdoors. Well, not quite. Let's go ahead and charge this guy up, see how long it takes. It does say on that description it'll take about 6 to 7 hours. So let's plug it in, see how long it really takes, and then we'll get back to you for a review deeper on the abilities of this guy here. Alright you guys, 6 hours later, and this guy is fully charged. Now we're going to go ahead and do the exact opposite test, where we're going to drain it all the way down and see how long it lasts. Let's go ahead and take this into, I have another room that we've set up my projector, the mobile entertainment setup, and we're going to go ahead and plug this into the projector and then use our Wise battery tracker here. So if you haven't seen this guy yet, go ahead and check out the video. I think it's in this corner. tap that, it'll take you to a video where I do a review on this. It's not a crazy review because the interface isn't great, but it'll work for what we need today. So I'm gonna plug this guy in here, and then we'll plug our projector into this, and we'll be able to track how much power the projector pulls and then how much power this outputs before the battery dies. So we'll go ahead and run that, see how long we can run it. So I'll probably just put on, I bet you YouTube has a video where it's just a timer counting down time or something. I don't know. Let's just jump over there and we'll go from there. Yeah. All right, so we're actually in my laundry room, and we're just gonna use this projector right onto the washer face here. And we have our power bank. So let's go ahead and hit power on, and then we press and hold the AC button to send AC power. Now we got power here, and then here we should get power there. There we go. All right, we got you on. And then, you know, we'll just find one of those relaxing videos. It's like bowls for 10 hours. And we are running our projector off of here. Got a video playing here, and we're gonna let this run and see how long it lasts. All right, so I just finished doing the battery drain test on this guy. So the AC outlet won't let you use it all the way to dead. It'll go all the way down to 20%. I think that's kind of a battery protection thing, which like makes sense to me. But also, you can still use it. So if I turn on just the regular power, not the AC, I can plug in a phone charger here, and my phone is still charging. So the smaller, you know, ports for USB and whatnot, those still work just fine. One thing, I got so excited about getting this, I didn't think to like compare it against my one on Amazon. What I ordered on Amazon. This here looks nothing like the one that was on Amazon. So let's go ahead and pull that up real quick. All right, so here on Amazon, as you can see, this looks nothing like this. Not the same. Like orange handle, black handle. This weird thing on the front, like it's like a weird advertisement on the front of the container. I don't need that. All of the ports are on the end, not on the front. Still have the same DC in. This one, it shows in the picture. Let's just click on that real quick. Shows in the picture here that there's other ports on the side than just the simple 1, 2, 3 and a C. And then it shows 2 of your 12 volt DC outlets. This only has, so this one has 4. This one only has 2. Yeah. It's not the same. It is not. However, it works. So I'm not sure what to do about it from there. Granted, let's go ahead and compare our power usage. It advertised 296 watt hours, which I think 4 hours of video playback on my projector is 260, and this ended up lasting actually 5.5 hours, which when you add it up is pretty good. It meets all of my demands for what I want it to do. Is it the power bank I thought I was getting? No. Does it do the job? Yes. But I don't know what to think here, where it's 2 different pictures. This feels like Wish. It does. I don't hate it, but I'm not in love with it. And I wouldn't be opposed to trying out other battery banks. I know that there's really expensive ones out there, but the reason I got this one is, you know, let's just show you why I got this one. Right here. This one here is $118 for a 300 watt, 80,000 milliamp hour, which is 298 watt hours. Let's see here. It says 300 watt hours, but it's 296. Not sure how to go about that. It works. It does what we needed. Let's go ahead and check our price history here on our Honey browser extension. So right now it is our 118, but if we could jump out to our 120 days, it does go from 169 and then also goes back down to 118. So these sales are pretty regular. So I'm sure that the seller just does this price jump back and forth that like, hey, sales will go down for a little while, but then when we drop it, it'll show, hey, this is a price drop. But it's a great deal. $118 for 300, almost 300 watt hours of energy. That's fantastic. That'll do exactly what we need and more. Partway through the video, I think at the 4-hour mark, I was like, okay, this thing still is going. So I went ahead and plugged in a phone to the charger as well, so that it was draining more battery at the same time. All right, so overall, would I recommend this product to you guys? I would still say yes. I do recommend it because it does what I need it to do, which is, I knew that it was gonna come. I was expecting just one outlet here, which is all I really needed is this outlet. There's tons of other charging bricks and things like that you can get. Like I have this guy. This is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery that I got that charges up in 10 minutes. It's awesome from ElectJet. You can find their stuff on, I think, Indiegogo. Anyway, I got a 10,000 milliamp hour battery that charges via USB-C. It does the 45 watt fast charging. Also does USB 3.0 fast charging. Like, this is what I use to charge most things that are portable if I'm on the go, like a cell phone or my GoPro, things like that. But I wanted to be able to run a projector that uses a standard plug, and this offers that. This offers more than just one outlet. It offers two. So yes, it offers the 3-prong outlet here, but it also has a 2-prong outlet for lower wattage devices, things that use less power. And that's why they do that, where they have the 3-prong and a 2-prong smaller one, is so that you're not drawing too much power. It does have fans here. I never heard them kick on, but when you're doing high energy draw activities on this, the fan will eventually kick on to keep the system cool, to maintain an optimal temperature for it to be able to discharge or be used at an optimal level. Because if it's too hot, it uses more energy to transfer that. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna find a way to incorporate it into my mobile entertainment setup. The next thing I wanna get is a Bluetooth speaker. So if you have recommendations, leave those in the comments below, or if you have other products that you'd like me to review, that you have suggestions or questions about this product, leave them in the comments below. I purchased this product with my own money, and any opinions expressed are my own. However, if you do use the Amazon links down below, those are Amazon affiliate links that do help support this channel with no additional cost to you. So please use those links below. If you're looking at buying this or any other things, click on that link, do your shopping from there. It'll give me a little bit of credit. Again, leave your questions, comments, and recommendations in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video.